Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka jing tradistom bat ka jing IT hagba penlet jing mud lakalong hakapuli kadang le lingba kilenang kot nalor ka jing kersan jo kinohikai bat hakanu kanu ka kam ka ba ubriu udon ka jing angnut bon sin hi kan wan ra yo so jo ka jing kemen kaban poi shakliar jong ulum bat ka thong jo ka jing job kini ka pau shai ba wat la hapedeng ka jing mat jing e jo ka jing wan ka jing pang covid kat khandai henroi haba pai pat cha ka result SSLC exam arjar atpuai ya ka balapan mi da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education ka West Khasi Hills mentakasngi kalating shan bha hakaba u Kevin Strong Lauren yang na ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang ulayo bandrung hakakerdan ka baningkong haka top 20 napdeng kiwei pat shushu na West Khasi Hills no lor uniu samla kidan pat salai ngut kiblay rung haka top 20 bat kini kikentop ya ka Queen Annabel Ann Pasayomat na ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang kablayo bandrong hakakerdan ka basipaw ju ka top 20 kapi sada sapi lingdo naka Anderson Higher Secondary School Nongstan kablayo ekakerdan ka bakhanreu haka top 20 bat kadap hinyaw ko arwalang na Anderson Higher Secondary School Nongstan kablayo ekakerdan ka bakhat kendai haka top 20
Aingo yu blay nung punong tao ba ulari la sumarngi haduk kani kapor pamta. Aingo ro ye me ipa ki bahayeng bahasam ka kinohikai bat ka school hero barok kawai ba wat lah hakan ni kapor kala le stom ban penbiang ki online class ki notes ki bat ki jihikai nga komen menta bangala poi haduk kani kakedan ka bakhat khandai bat kani kadi lingba da kajing tristom bat kajing nap bat kijing I'm sim dan jong ki bahing masem ya ka school padi ngan let hi hajo ha Anderson bat nga thumu ban let saka science stream
ina kaliang jong ke kasam manga bat I lok janga ni dap da ke songo yo blai takrat na kabta ke ku ko do jong mo ni airu ke jing kublai ba ke songo kerpang ya ka school nado father principal I sister vice principal inong hikai barok kiba laya darkan kiba laya aim sim kiba laya du thia du dam ban ya aim sim ban hikai ka queen khamtam ha kumbakalong mesosnam ha preng jong ka pandemic ka pamakakam sum layo school indai nakaliang jong ka school nakaliang kinong hikai ki kloy ban yarap ya ka kanu por bakadan kam te kumbakalong mesosnam ka school kamlong ka school te kumta ki babun ki jingikai ki bamakakayo ki long lengba ka WhatsApp ba lengba ki phone te habakadon gini ki problems ki bamakakam la ban solve ki no hikai ki kloy ban yarap habaka phone hakanu no por la kalong man stop ni man singini jan metru ki kloy ban aten bat ka ban ya ai man sim ban ya ai ki jingikai mo te lengba ka jin tristom jong ni hikai ka yo ya kani usok jong jing job tena kaleng jong ni kum kini kasam ni dap da ke songu sesien biang ya ka school brokawai nadu ki nong penya ki ba kli du hadu ki no hikai borok ki badan mata ban ya pen ban wara inu usok jing job ya queen
te nga kwa ban pen pau shwai ka jing songu yo blai
Rồi.
tai ki mi mai I papa ki balaya rap yanga
Rồi.
ta khamtam na kabentai na kalyang ka school ki vice principal khamtam ki nong hikai ki balaya lap layarap ya beten lenti nang na kabentai jonga khamtam hakane ka jing don jong kani ka pandemic tenga snow kuman shibun na kabentai kani ka jing yo khat uso babha kumbangi laya kmi lenti lang baro shiyang shisam na ka school ru kumjo dap ka jing snow kuman ate haka por barang shu sedang usnam tate dang madang sedang ka lockdown te ngidang don hi ka jing artatien ha kanika kelas tan jungi ten nang ni sakmat nga kerman barle bha shusho mar ha kanika porting don kam ya ka jing treshitom nalade hi tenga kerman bandang ya le shusho ya ka bamentaru kalain ngamot like ka science stream ting ni tila pen long laya perkhat ladu ningkong ting ong ban like sapo ko hati te pat rai bha menta te ba kalong kumne ko pertai
nak yang sungat ni kemen baha menta namar ba
hadin bun saving you ya ke top 10 rank mo.
Rồi, rồi.
We got first rank first in 2001, and then now we are getting the first rank, top 10 first rank second time, that's in 2021. And this time we have the first rank and the 10th rank from the school. So we are very happy, and then we feel that we have to give the first credit to God, the good health to our children. During pandemic, He protected their parents and also the students, that they could study well. And then secondly, to all the teachers who really took care of these children who were able to reach top 10. Actually, they started their studies from December, even before we could start class 10. They were already studying. After the result of class 9, they already bought books for class 10, and they were already studying. That time we did not know that there would be pandemic, but since we knew that these children can do well, we encouraged them that as soon as the result is out, you buy books and begin your studies, and if you have doubts, then you can clarify with the teachers and all that. And then they are very cooperative students. They are very humble, very simple, and very hardworking. And the first rank holder, his parents are just kidekinong pre.
Nikong de gading sungu kalai so boleh try kerat ya mai paru kunju ya ke sekolah ya kimenikai paro kila trestom ta janga te
Thôi.
nikong ta jiki nikong de kadai gading trestom na sekolah na kimenikai ya ke online class ki ai kinot ki ai kijing batai ski niru nidan hayeng pun kse Kidon ru sakitas kiai.
Rồi.
Cũng tai yo skinut kiai ta ski apkre. Ngan late kaliang ka science. Ngan late boleh ha senang ajang.